Welcome back to Jagadamba Pearl. So today I'll be showing you the simple gemstone chains and let us know about its details and also the price range. Many of you are commenting that we are not providing you the exact amount of the particular jewelry, but we are not providing it because the range or the price range of the gold will fluctuate every day, so that's why we are not giving you the exact amount details, but definitely we'll provide you the price range information. So let us get into the video and let us know about its details. So hi, what are you showing us today?
And these are some exclusive fancy chains, which is the combination of rose quartz and Russian emeralds, and some of this aventurine is also there in this, which can be as per your requirement. We can change the beads also, you can customize the design in this, and these are the natural South Sea pearls. And coming for the details of this beautiful 3-line chain with a rose quartz and these aventurine stones are there in this combined. In this the stone weight is, net weight of the gold is 12 grams, and this Russian this beads weight is 359 carats. In this total it's carrying, if you want add dowry at the back side, you can add this thing, or if you want to wear with the back chain, you can wear with the back chain also in this chain. And this is one more chain with the South Sea pearls and Russian emeralds. In this gold weight is 28 grams and South Sea pearl and emerald weights are 272 carats, and this is in 22 carat gold, whatever the chains we made. As per your requirement, the colors also can be changed, the beads colors can be changed in this. And one more chain, the gold weight in this 15.065 grams of gold weight is there, and 158 carats of the stone weights it's carrying. And these are the beautifully made designed with a Nakshi kind of balls, which totally solid halo balls. The design is very nice, and in this two combinations are there. As per your requirement, you can change the colors also in this.
So what will be the range of this particular jewelry?
In this also, this exclusive chains, it starts around 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs. It's depend on the gold weight in this.
Okay, so it depends particularly on the gold weight as well as the gemstones which we have used. And if you want this to be in a less weight, or if you want this particular jewelry to be in less price, you can contact us, and also you can customize you can customize this jewelry in a single liner, or you can also use the less priced gemstone. So for that you can contact us. You can come to any of our stores to check about this particular jewelry, and this jewelry is particularly trending for this festive season. And if you want to try this at your home for free of cost, you can also try it. The numbers and the branch address informations are mentioned in the description. And if you like this jewelry, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for everyday beautiful updates of the jewelry collections. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.